This is the second episode, and here we'll create a React-based to-do list with the help of ChatGPT. First, open its official website and click Try ChatGPT. We need a React application, so in this message box, you can type, "Hi ChatGPT, I need help to create React.js." In response, it is providing us with some basic steps that we need to follow. So in step 1, it says we need to set up a development environment. So make sure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. If not, you can download and install them. We also need a code editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or any other. For this tutorial, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Then step 2 is to create a new React.js application. So you can copy this command line. You can open your code editor. To open terminal, click View, Terminal. You can paste the command line, and at the end, you can add your project folder. I will call it To Do. Step 3 is to run the application. So first, we need to go inside the project folder. Then to run the app, we need npm start. So to get inside the project folder, type cd space to do. To run the app, type npm start. This is the landing page of React application. In step 4, we need to add component, and step 5 is to render the component. We can skip this step because we are creating to-do list, so we can directly use them under app.js. So let's just search I need to-do list with form and add button. Now it is providing us with the code that we need to copy. You can copy this code and add them under to do, src, and app.js. You can remove all of the code except app.css. You can just change the component name from to-do list to app. Once done, check the preview and we can see to-do list application over here. Let's add some item, click add, and we can see that item has been listed over here. At this point, we are missing the style. So let me type I need CSS. Now it will generate some style for us. You can copy the code and add them under app.css. You can remove the default style and add the new style. Click the preview and we can see some style over here. Now I want to keep them at the center. So in app.js, in the div tag, I want to add a class container. Then in app.css, I will use that class name, add max width 640px and margin 0 auto. Click the site again, and now it is at the center. Let's add one more item, and now I want to add delete button over here so we can delete the list item which is not necessary. So in ChatGPT you can type I need to delete list item. Now it will generate a new code for us. So in the UL tag, we need a delete button with click event and which pass a function handle delete. So let's copy this button and add them inside the li tag. Now we need the function handle delete, so copy the function and add them at the top. Once done, check the site again, and this time you can see a delete button. If you click on them, the list item is deleting. At the moment, we don't have any style for this delete button. So let me update the button under this app.css. Let me remove type equals submit. Check the site, and now we have style for this delete button. Now I want to keep this text and button side by side. So let me open my developer tool. In this li, let's add display flex. To keep them side by side, we need justify content space between. And finally, I need align items center. You can then copy this code and add them in li. Let's also decrease the width under this container. Now I'm happy with this width. So in container, let's add 267 as a max width. Finally, let's also add some background and a padding in this li. I guess this looks much better, so let me copy and paste them in li. Once done, let's test them again. And now everything is working as expected. Great. This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.